If your dog could describe love without using a single word, what do you think it would look like? Would it be the expensive bed in the corner, the basket full of toys, or the treats hidden in the kitchen
Good
cabinet?
morning,
Or
buddy.
would it be something much
You ready for our
quieter?
walk?
Something that happens
You ready
every
for our
single day
walk?
without most owners even realizing it. Dogs don't judge love the way humans do.
Who's a
They
good
don't measure
boy?
by gifts or grand
Do
gestures.
you want to play?
Instead, they experience it through patterns, predictability, attention, and countless tiny interactions that tell them one simple thing: you're safe with me. What's fascinating is that many of the behaviors dogs interpret as love are backed by decades of research into canine behavior, learning, attachment, and communication. Sometimes the smallest daily habit has a much greater emotional impact than anything money can buy. And sometimes, without meaning to, we overlook the very moments that matter most. The beautiful part is that making your dog feel deeply loved isn't about becoming a perfect owner. It's about understanding how your dog experiences the world. The first habit begins before you even leave the house. Imagine waking up every morning with no idea what your day will look like. Meals might happen at random times. Sometimes you'll go outside. Sometimes you won't. Some days people are cheerful. Other days they're distracted. For humans, unpredictability can be stressful. For dogs, it can be even more confusing. Dogs are remarkably good at recognizing routines. They learn that footsteps in the hallway often mean breakfast. Picking up a leash predicts a walk. Turning off the television may signal bedtime. Their brains constantly search for patterns because predictable environments feel safer. This doesn't mean every minute needs to be scheduled. Life happens, but maintaining a reasonably consistent rhythm, feeding, walks, rest, and interaction, helps many dogs feel secure. Predictability lowers uncertainty, and lower uncertainty often means lower stress. A dog that knows what to expect can spend less energy worrying about what might happen next and more energy enjoying life with you. But routine alone isn't enough. The second habit is something many owners think they're already doing, yet it's surprisingly easy to miss. Giving your dog your full attention. Not attention while scrolling your phone. Not attention while answering emails. Real attention. Dogs are experts at reading human behavior. Research suggests they pay close attention to our faces, voices, body orientation, and even subtle emotional cues. They often know when we're mentally present and when we're somewhere else. Have you ever noticed your dog bringing you a toy only after you put your laptop away? Or choosing to rest beside you when you finally stop rushing around? Those moments matter. Even 5 or 10 minutes of uninterrupted engagement can strengthen your relationship, whether it's gentle play, practicing simple cues, or simply sitting together while stroking their shoulders. Your dog experiences that focused interaction as meaningful social connection. For highly social animals, being noticed isn't just enjoyable. It's part of feeling included. And inclusion leads naturally to another habit that dogs value far more than most people realize: talking to them. Of course, dogs don't understand human language the way another person does, but they understand far more than many once believed. Studies have shown that dogs can learn the meanings of numerous words, especially when consistently associated with actions or objects. More importantly, they're incredibly sensitive to tone of voice. A calm, cheerful voice often communicates reassurance long before the words themselves have any meaning. Think about how your dog's ears shift when you speak gently after a stressful moment. Watch how their tail begins moving before you've even reached them. To your dog, your voice becomes part of the emotional landscape of home. Many owners instinctively narrate daily life. Good morning. Let's go outside. You did so well. These simple phrases create familiarity. Combined with relaxed body language, they help strengthen communication that extends well beyond vocabulary. Interestingly, communication isn't only about speaking. It's also about listening. Dogs constantly communicate through posture, facial expressions, movement, and subtle changes in behavior. Yet humans often miss these signals because they expect communication to look more like human conversation. A dog turning their head away can be asking for space. A slow blink may indicate relaxation. A soft body and loose tail often signal comfort. Lip licking, yawning outside of tiredness, or avoiding eye contact can sometimes suggest uncertainty or mild stress, depending on the context. Learning to notice these small cues changes everything. Instead of asking, "Why is my dog acting strange?" you begin asking, "What is my dog trying to tell me?" That shift transforms a relationship from ownership into conversation. And conversations build trust, which brings us to perhaps the most misunderstood expression of love: physical affection. Many people assume that because dogs enjoy affection, they must want hugs all the time. Reality is more nuanced. Some dogs genuinely enjoy being embraced by familiar people. Others tolerate it because they trust us. Still others find it uncomfortable. Dogs evolved as social animals, but canine affection doesn't always look like human affection. Many dogs prefer gentle strokes along the chest, shoulders, or side of the neck rather than tight embraces over the head. Some simply enjoy lying quietly against your leg. Others show affection by following you from room to room without needing physical contact at all. Love isn't forcing affection. Love is noticing how your individual dog prefers to receive it. That idea becomes even more important when we think about play. People often view play as entertainment. For dogs, play is communication. When puppies wrestle, chase, pause, and bow to each other, they're practicing social skills they'll use throughout life. Play teaches self-control. It reinforces relationships. It builds confidence. The same principles apply when humans join in. Whether it's tug play with clear rules, a game of fetch, hide and seek around the house, or scent games that encourage problem solving, interactive play creates shared experiences. These moments release physical energy, stimulate the brain, and strengthen social bonds. Interestingly, many behavior specialists emphasize that quality often matters more than quantity. 10 minutes of engaged play can sometimes be more valuable than an hour where the owner is emotionally absent. And speaking of stimulation, here's something many dogs desperately need but don't always receive: the opportunity to use their nose. Humans rely heavily on vision. Dogs experience the world primarily through smell. Their sense of smell is extraordinary, allowing them to detect information completely invisible to us. When we rush every walk, constantly calling our dog forward without allowing them to sniff, we may unintentionally remove one of the richest parts of their day. To a dog, sniffing isn't wasting time. It's reading the morning newspaper. Every scent tells a story. Who passed here? How recently? Was another dog nervous? Healthy? Young? Old? Researchers continue to explore just how much information dogs gather through scent, but it's clear that sniffing provides both mental stimulation and valuable environmental information. Allowing moments for exploration during walks often creates calmer, more satisfying experiences than simply covering distance as quickly as possible. Of course, every dog still needs guidance. Freedom doesn't mean the absence of boundaries, which leads to another daily habit that communicates love in a surprisingly powerful way: gentle consistency. Dogs learn best when expectations are clear. If jumping on guests is acceptable one day, but punished the next, confusion replaces learning. Consistency creates understanding. Positive reinforcement, rewarding behaviors you like to see repeated, has become a widely recommended approach in modern dog training because it encourages learning while supporting trust between dog and owner. This doesn't mean dogs never experience frustration. It means guidance remains predictable, calm, fair. A dog doesn't need an owner who never makes mistakes. They need someone whose reactions aren't frighteningly unpredictable. Imagine living with someone whose mood changed without warning every day. Now imagine living with someone who remained patient, understandable, and dependable. The difference is enormous. Dogs notice that difference too. Yet even with routines, play, communication, and consistency, there's one daily habit many owners unintentionally overlook: allowing rest. Modern life can become surprisingly busy for dogs. Visitors, car rides, training classes, dog parks, children playing, television, constant stimulation. While enrichment is important, dogs also need uninterrupted opportunities to sleep and recover. Adult dogs typically sleep far more than humans do, although exact needs vary with age, breed, activity level, and individual differences. Rest isn't laziness. Sleep plays an important role in learning, emotional regulation, and overall well-being. Providing a quiet, safe place where your dog can retreat without being disturbed sends another powerful message: You don't have to stay alert all the time. You're safe here. Safety might be the purest form of love a dog can experience. And perhaps that's why one final habit quietly ties everything together. Simply being emotionally available. Dogs have lived alongside humans for thousands of years. Throughout domestication, they've become unusually skilled at paying attention to us. Some studies suggest dogs often look toward humans for information when faced with uncertain situations, a behavior less commonly observed in wolves raised by people. Many owners have experienced moments when their dog checked in during a thunderstorm, after hearing a strange noise, or while exploring an unfamiliar place. That glance isn't always asking for instructions. Sometimes it's asking whether everything is okay. Your response matters. Calm reassurance, steady presence, a relaxed voice. These seemingly ordinary interactions help shape how your dog experiences the world. This doesn't mean you must eliminate every challenge from your dog's life. It means becoming a reliable emotional anchor within it. The remarkable thing is that dogs appear to remember emotional patterns over time. Not necessarily every individual event, but the overall feeling of living with someone who is trustworthy. Think about dogs rescued from difficult situations. Many gradually learn to trust again through hundreds of small, consistent experiences rather than one dramatic moment. Likewise, dogs raised in loving homes don't bond because of a single perfect day. They bond because kindness keeps showing up morning after morning, walk after walk, conversation after conversation. Love, to a dog, accumulates. There's another detail that often surprises people. Some of the strongest bonds aren't built during exciting adventures at all. They're built during ordinary moments. The quiet evening when your dog rests their head on your foot. The slow walk where you stop to let them investigate every interesting scent. The gentle, good dog, whispered after they calmly settle beside you. The familiar sound of your footsteps returning home. These moments rarely appear in photographs. They don't go viral online. Yet they're probably the memories your dog's emotional world is built upon. Scientists continue learning more about canine cognition every year. We're discovering new insights into how dogs recognize human emotions, interpret gestures, remember experiences, and navigate social relationships. But despite everything we've learned, one truth remains remarkably simple. Dogs thrive in relationships built on trust. Trust grows through consistency. Consistency grows through daily habits. And daily habits quietly become love. So the next time your dog greets you with that familiar wagging tail, leans gently against your leg, follows you into another room, or simply sighs contentedly before falling asleep nearby, remember that these behaviors didn't appear by accident. They're often a result of countless invisible moments you've shared together. Moments when you slowed down enough to notice them. Moments when you chose patience instead of frustration. Moments when you listened instead of assuming. Moments when you became predictable, safe, and kind. Your dog will never write you a thank you letter. They'll never explain exactly why they trust you. But every relaxed posture, every soft expression, every peaceful nap taken beside you is its own quiet answer. Perhaps that's what makes the bond between humans and dogs so extraordinary. It doesn't depend on perfect words. It doesn't require perfect days. It grows through ordinary routines repeated with genuine care. In a world where love is often measured by grand gestures, dogs remind us that the strongest relationships are usually built differently. One calm morning, one shared walk, one playful moment, one patient response, one reassuring voice, one safe home, one ordinary day at a time. And maybe that's the greatest lesson our dogs have been trying to teach us all along. That feeling truly loved isn't about the biggest moments we can remember. It's about the countless small moments we never have to question, because they happen again tomorrow, and the day after that. And for a dog waiting faithfully by the door, there may be no greater expression of love than simply knowing that every single day you'll be there,